How to fix TikTok video under review problem. If your TikTok video is stuck under review and not getting posted, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you why this happens and how to fix it quickly. So let's get started. TikTok reviews videos to check if they violate community guidelines. Sometimes it's just a TikTok glitch or an AI error. This can happen due to copyrighted content, sensitive topics, or spam like behavior. TikTok usually completes reviews in 24 to 48 hours. If your content follows guidelines, it should be approved soon. Now, go to your inbox of your TikTok and look for a notification about the review. Just tap on it and select Appeal if you think your video follows TikTok's rules. Explain briefly why your video doesn't violate any guidelines. TikTok will recheck and usually respond within a few hours. Now let's check for violations. Go to Profile and then Settings and Privacy. Go to Account. If you see violations, TikTok might be flagging your videos. Simply delete or edit videos that might break rules to avoid future issues. Also, avoid using copyrighted music. Don't post sensitive, violent, or misleading content, and avoid using bad words in caption or hashtags. And that's it. If a TikTok video is under review, try these fixes and let me know in the comments.